Tailor Brands Registered Agent Service Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Tailor Brands Registered Agent Service Review. In this video, I'll break down its features, pricing, and overall experience to help you decide if it's the right choice for your business. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details. What Tailor Brands offers. Tailor Brands is widely known for its business branding and LLC formation services, but it also provides registered agent services to help businesses stay legally compliant. Their registered agent service ensures that legal documents, government correspondence, and compliance notifications are received and forwarded to business owners promptly. This helps businesses stay in good standing and avoid potential penalties for missing important deadlines. Compliance and document management. When you use Tailor Brands as your registered agent, they handle official state notices, tax documents, and service of process notifications on your behalf. This is especially beneficial for business owners who operate remotely or across multiple states. Documents are securely stored and accessible online, ensuring easy retrieval whenever needed. By handling compliance matters professionally, Tailor Brands helps businesses avoid legal risks and unnecessary stress. Who should use Tailor Brands? Tailor Brands is ideal for entrepreneurs, startups, and small businesses looking for an all-in-one platform that combines LLC formation, branding tools, and compliance management. If you need more than just a registered agent and want a comprehensive business solution, Tailor Brands is a great option. Their service is especially useful for those who want a simple, automated approach to legal compliance and brand building. Pricing and value. Tailor Brands offers competitive pricing, especially when bundled with their LLC formation packages. Their registered agent service comes at an annual fee, with no hidden charges. While they may not be the cheapest option available, the convenience of managing formation, compliance, and branding under one platform makes them a valuable choice for busy entrepreneurs. User experience and support. Signing up for Tailor Brands' registered agent service is fast and straightforward, with an intuitive online dashboard that makes document management easy. Their customer support team is available via email and chat, offering quick responses to compliance-related questions. While phone support is limited, their platform is user-friendly, making it simple for businesses to manage their compliance needs without hassle. Final verdict. Overall, Tailor Brands provides a reliable registered agent service, best suited for business owners looking for an all-in-one solution that includes branding, formation, and compliance services. If you're a new business owner who wants to streamline operations, this service is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.